This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and we are at the Burgess Biomass Plant Maintenance Facility. We are in the restroom area with the toilet pulled and gaining access for a frozen sewer via the toilet flange. We are 86 feet out looking at a manhole, and we're going to perform the inspection back. We probably had 20-25 feet of ice, so let's start coming back. That's what we're looking at, is a manhole inside there. Turn. Appears to be we have water flowing underneath there, so right here there's another connection at about 71 feet, so we can see that pipe of water flowing coming underneath there, which is picking up something. We don't know what that is, but there is a drainage there. Head back, a lot of turns. I think what else might be tied in out that way. So I don't know of any other buildings out there at all.
Old pulp mill, you never know.
Old pulp mill, so who knows what might be there. And that could be just groundwater running through that too.
Could be. And right there, 42 feet were sagged. So we'll call it 43 feet. Good 10 feet of sagged pipe there. At 17 feet, that's where our jet head is parked. 16 feet, we got sagged pipe. That's probably where it was frozen. Yeah. It's a low spot right there. About a 4 foot low spot right there. You can see the water sitting right there. Yeah.
So it's making a turn, so it's back pitched.
That's probably where she froze up and then just started freezing on the way back. Some sags on the inside. There. No way I can put a warranty on this thing at all, especially on a refreeze. I don't normally do anyways because it's Mother Nature, but the sags definitely don't help. Coming up the flange. This is Rod from Mount Washington Sewer and Drain Cleaning, and this concludes the de-thawing and inspection of the Burgess Biomass Maintenance Office bathroom facilities.